Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, hello. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I just did an easy glam look using the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Friendcation palette, which is this one. This is the look, but yes, I really hope that you guys enjoy the video and just keep watching. My neighbors have fast food. What I would do for some McDonald's. Trying to eat healthy sucks. I mean, it doesn't really suck, but it kind of does. Because I just want some fast food sometimes. Oh my gosh, that's how much brow pencil I have left. Here we go. Okay, now we're just gonna do a quick eye look, and I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Friendcation palette for that, because it has really nice neutral colors in it, and I just want to do a nice neutral quick eye. And to start that off, we're gonna go in with the shade Necessary, which is this tan brown color. I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M513, dip that in the color, and just run that through the crease very lightly. This is just going to be a really quick, simple eye look. Now I'm going to go in with this angled fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Churro and pack that on the outer corner. Take the brush that we put Necessary on with and just blend. Alright, now to add a little bit of depth, we're going to go in with the shade Cheens and take that in on the outer corner with just a smaller brush and really focus that just on the outer corner. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the shade Just a Kiss, which is this really pretty shimmer. And I'm going to put that on with my finger all over this part of the eye. And whenever they described this shadow, they said it was more of a eyeshadow topper, so there's not really much pigment to it. It's just mainly a lot of glitter. It's just such a pretty shadow. This is my favorite shadow in the whole palette. I really like using my finger with it and really packing that on. Now for the lower lash line, we're going to go in with Necessary once again. And I'm going to take it on the end of this Anastasia brush and smoke that out. I'm just going to go with the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy highlighter and Fuego to highlight my inner corner before I finish the lower lash line real fast. And a little bit of Just a Kiss over that. The same shade that we used on the lid. To add a little bit of sparkle. And now I'm going to go in with Churro on my lower lash line on the outer corner and connect that to the top. Oh, and the lashes that I'm using are the Eylure X Ann Lee collab in So Lush. Shout out to Mackenzie. I haven't used them yet. I bought them a while ago whenever you told me about them. Haven't used them. This is gonna be my first time, so let's see. I really like, oh my gosh, I really like these lashes. Okay, now let's see if I can get the other one on in a reasonable amount of time. Alright, so this is the eyes done. Just like a nice, simple glam. You obviously don't have to wear lashes or wear lashes this dramatic. But you know me and my lashes. I'm gonna do lips now. I think I'm gonna do a glossy lip because I have my Fenty Gloss Bomb right here in Fenty Glow, and I really want to use it. So I think I'm just gonna go in with, I'll go in with MAC Soar lip liner. As you can tell, very loved. Very loved. And I'm just gonna roughly put that on so that I have a little bit of color to my lips. Alright, this is the completed look. Just a simple, easy glam. You don't have to do lashes, obviously. It doesn't have to be this dramatic. It would look really pretty with just your natural lashes and some mascara. That was my ankle that just popped. That kinda hurt. But you obviously don't have to do lashes or anything. We just used 4 shades, but 3 in the crease. The other one was just the shimmer. So this was a really simple look. And you don't have to use this palette if you have, you know, just some neutral brown sitting around. You know, this one's more of a tan, this one's a really dark brown, and this one's more of like an orangey brown. But yes, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, bye.